you have to say that even without the skill and the hype and everything else, Jett Lawrence is probably one of the best things to happen to Supercross in years. I mean, obviously you have all the 450 guys that have been there for a long time. You've got the speed, you've got the, all their sponsors, everything. But the way he interacts with fans, the way everyone, he is super talented. He's got the speed, he's got the talent, he's got the fan base, and it's only growing. He's already, I think he's 18 now. He already has an outdoor title, and he's, granted, this is the first week of the East Coast, but he's leading the East Coast, and he looked like he was leading, had the speed and had the speed. But it's just the fact that you see a lot of people win, they ride around, they rev their engine a little bit, they wave, it's all fine, whatever. Like you can see there, he's interacting with the fans. He's throwing goggles to them. He's throwing his gloves to them. He's, bringing them into it. It's not just them sitting in a stand watching. Now they have, the great young talent, the hopes of Supercross future, or the future of Supercross, however you want to say it, next 5-10 years of his career, and he's growing his platform already. People like him because he's personable and he's got, he has the talent. So it's not just like he's a mid-pack guy that everyone likes. He's a contender for championships. He's the front runner. He's got the speed, and he's pulling people in because they want to see him win. They like to see him win because he is personable. He has, the connection with everyone, and it's nice to see that someone who is, on a factory team with all the sponsors he could possibly want, a Red Bull rider, he's going to have, knock on wood that something doesn't happen, but, he'll have the ride he wants for the rest of his career if he keeps going this way. And it's cool to see somebody that young being that personable, being that, ambassador for a sport, and I think it's awesome.